In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flights online from Enugu to Lagos. It's going to be a full guide video tutorial. So open up your flights, right? So I'm using the United Nigeria Airlines. So go to your Play Store, Apple Store and get the app, right? Or you can also get Airpiece if you want. So I'm using this, right? So I'm going to open it. I'm going to click on book a flight. Click on the one way, right? So currency should be in NGN, right? So we are flying from Enugu. We want to go to Lagos, right? So choose a departing date. You can just choose, let me say 30th of May, right? So you can, if you're traveling with your friends, you can select them, right? So I'm traveling just alone, right? So I'm going to click on search flight. So you're going to wait for this to gradually search up, right? So there's a flight on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? So we are going from Enugu to Lagos. So you just come on here, click on this, click on the second one, right? Or you can also click on this if you want. So once you have clicked on it, just click on choose flight, right? So you can come on here, you can add up if you're traveling with some other people, right? You can just add them up here, right? So this is it. So I can just come on here, you're going to type in your name, type in your real name, right? So type in your last name. So this is just basically for educational purpose. So everything I'm typing here is not like a real something, right? So just click on this, enter your Gmail, click on the save, click on continue, right? Once you click on this, you're going to choose your seat, right? So you're traveling from Enugu to Lagos, click on choose your seat. You can come on here and select the seat you want, right? So this is how you're going to stay. If you enter the airplane, you're going to be asked where your seat number is, right? You can select this. I'm going to click on select seat, right? So we're going to wait for it to load up. Once you're done, click on the continue. So the very last thing you need to do is to just agree and pay, right? So you can pay with, if you click on agree and pay, right, you're going to get your booking number, right? So if you click on this show booking, you're going to see press, like you're going to press on this, right, pay. So you can click on pay via this, right? So from here, you're going to be given a payments page, right? You can pay with your OPay, you can pay with bank transfer, you can pay with card, you can pay with USSDC, right? So this is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.